Hello, welcome to Team River Finance. We are trying to make streaming and yield simplified. Anyone can use our platform to start streaming a new token, and they can also generate yield on the deposited token which are yet to stream. So we are enabling streaming payments on Solana. These payments are handled using specific agreements. New agreements can be added to the platform over time. Currently, we only have bilateral constant flow agreement. We can add flow based on a specific curve, or we can add agreement in which money is streamed to a pool of subscribers. Is river tokens. So these are one-to-one streamable tokens which user receive on deposit. They can track balance of these tokens in real time. All the deposited tokens on a platform can be connected to a lending market which can be used to earn yield while the tokens are yet to stream. First, which we are really excited about, is NFT rental marketplace. So anyone or any platform can uses NFTs like gaming items, cards. So these NFTs, instead of buying, users can rent it out for some time and until the stream is running. Second is DAO subscription. So for example, let's say people use DAO nowadays. So any DAO member, to be a member, they can start a stream and they are member while it is ongoing. Any streaming payment like employee salary, software subscription, etc. This streaming allows a very risk-free model of an ongoing service, paying for an ongoing service. Let's come to how our platform handles these streaming payments. User will have to deposit the underlying tokens, which can be DAI. On depositing these underlying tokens, we deposit it directly to the lending pool and hold the lending pool tokens with us. And in return, we give user some river DAI or river tokens for that particular underlying token. Similarly, withdraw is also handled in a similar way. The user gives us river tokens. We get back the amount from lending pool and give it back to the user. So this will also include the interest that needs to be paid to the user. On this start stream instruction, we will add some agreements to the user's account and to the receiver's account, which denotes the flow rate, the sender, the receiver of the flow. And these agreements can be of different types. The flow rate can be of different types. Then comes the stop flow, which is similar to start flow. User just sends in the stop stream instruction and the agreements are removed. Implemented an initialize instruction, which is given the underlying token address and multiple different details. And a new stream token for that underlying token is we are two team members. I am Shrey. I am currently working as finance and technology consultant. I have good experience with Solidity and Rust. Mohantesh, he has 5+ years of experience in banking IT and is proficient with Web3 and React.js. So we plan to create different kinds of agreements like flow rate based on a curve, pool-based agreements to support multiple different lending markets which users can associate with the while initialization or while starting or while depositing. So first, let's look at the instructions. So we have implemented, as I have stated before, 5 instructions: initialize, deposit, withdraw, start stream, and stop stream. We have also implemented test code for all of these packing and unpacking of these instructions. In initialize process, we are storing all the stream info, underlying token info, fee account info for the platform, and for that particular initialization into a stream v1 state, and packing that into a swap info account. Then in process deposit, we are just taking in that underlying token, minting some stream tokens and sending it to the user. In process withdraw, it's just the opposite. We also check if the fees has been paid or not, and we will deduct that fees if it is greater than 0. Now let's look at the start stream instruction. So in start stream, currently we are storing our agreements in a separate account, which we are calling user stream agreements account and receiver stream agreements account. For any stream that is started, we will initialize a new agreement and save it into both the accounts. And along with that, we are also maintaining overall user balance, which we are also updating and which also has the overall flow rate based on all the agreements. Then we have stop stream function, which is just removing those agreements and removing the flow rate or deposit till that time from the overall user balance. Stream V1 or stream state we are using to store the stream token details. Then we have user stream info, which has user stream balance, which is the timestamp of last update, the flow rate on last update, deposit and hold deposits, and then we have stream info, which contains the stream balance and the agreements. In bilateral stream agreement, it's an agreement from a sender to a receiver for a specific flow rate. That's what we have added over here. So it updates the overall flow rate and adds the new agreement to the current agreements and saves it to the user's account. And by just running cargo test, we can quickly see that all the test cases are running fine. All the instructions are packing and unpacking of all the instructions is running fine. The deposit, start stream, end stream, all of them are also running fine. We have also implemented a basic UI to deposit, withdraw, and start and stop stream. So to deposit, you can easily select a token, add in the amount, and click on deposit button. To withdraw, you can select a token and select the amount. And to stream, you can add the recipient address, the flow rate for which you want to start the stream, and click on this button. So your balances along with DAI and RDAI would be visible over here. And but this UI is not working currently because of lack of time. We could not integrate this with backend.